In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo reconciliation in Zoho Books. If you've reconciled a bank or credit card account and later notice a mismatch, undoing that reconciliation lets you roll back the cleared status and start again with accurate data. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can do this confidently. First, open Zoho Books from the left sidebar. Go to the Banking module. This is where all your connected bank and credit card accounts live. Choose the specific account you want to edit. Take a second to confirm you are in the right account, especially if you manage multiple institutions or currencies, because the change you are about to make will affect only this account's reconciliation history. With the account open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Click it, then select Reconciliation Account. This opens the reconciliation history for the account you selected, showing each reconciliation you've completed along with dates and statuses. In the list, locate the reconciliation you want to undo. Typically, you should undo the most recent reconciliation first to maintain a proper sequence. Verify the date and period so you are certain you have the correct one. On the right side of that reconciliation line, click the small down arrow to open its options. Choose Undo Reconciliation. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you intend to reverse this action. Review the message, and when you are ready, click Proceed. Zoho Books will begin rolling back the matched and cleared transactions for that reconciliation period. You'll notice the status change to In Progress. That's normal. It means Zoho Books is processing the reversal in the background. Give it a moment to complete. Once it finishes, the reconciliation will be undone, and those transactions will return to their unreconciled state, allowing you to correct imports, fix statement dates, or resolve duplicates before reconciling again. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind as you do this. You may need the appropriate permissions in your organization to access reconciliation history and undo a reconciliation. And undoing a reconciliation can impact your reports for that period, since cleared balances will change. Double-check you've selected the correct account and the correct reconciliation before proceeding. If your history includes many entries, checking the statement end date and reference can help you quickly confirm you are undoing the right one, especially when several reconciliations were completed close together. And that's it. Thanks for watching.